Hello fella, in this tutorial I will give you some tutorial on how in making a good explanation video using Videobuilder app. This software, cloud software, is very cheap, only $10, and you can use it lifetime. If you want to order, you can call me or see the link below. Okay. First, you go to this area and then you choose this avatar, and then after you are choosing avatar, you choose what the avatar that you want to use. Okay, example, I'm using this avatar, and then you choose next, and then you can pick some from this. You can pick first text to speech. Okay, you can pick here you can put some text here. Okay, I'm gonna use this. Okay, don't forget to delete the unnecessary. You choose the sound what you wanna use. Okay, maybe we use IV. Okay, then click import speech.
An escalator can never break, it can only become stairs.
Okay.
You would never see an escalator temporarily out of order sign.
The voice. And then you click next there, and then you play.
An escalator can never break, it can only become stairs. You would never see an escalator temporarily out of order sign, just escalator temporarily stairs. Sorry for the convenience.
If you don't think the avatar is good, and then you must choose another avatar like this. Maybe we will choose this the Jada or this Jenna, like, then text to speech, and then we choose again, choose next. It's good. And then we put it here, then we click import speech. Okay, and then we play it.
Having a dog is great, it's just the dog people that freak me out. Oh, look at her, she's precious, just like mommy. Me, if I birthed something that had 8 nipples, it ain't leaving the house.
Okay, and then we put it here in the tag to Jenna, and then we play it.
Having a dog is great, it's just the dog people that freak me out.
If you want to include in the video, see, I suggest you to input some of the media library, maybe something like this. You give a solid background, maybe like some image here, people friendly image or test image. You can see stock. So maybe something like this, then like this, you put it like this. Okay, and then pick the right amount. If this is the one that show in the screen, you can put it in this like this. Okay, this is quite good. I think this is quite good. Play this.
Having a dog is great, it's just the dog people that freak me out. Oh, look at her, she's precious, just like mommy. Me, if I birthed something that had 8 nipples, it ain't leaving the house.
Okay, if you think this is enough, and then you create, then you as name is a dog story, and then you can choose this something like this, and then the process is maybe you can wait several minutes. Okay, then the video is finished and you can download it. Yeah. And then you can use it in your own video. Okay, that's all for the tutorial of using Videobuilder app. I hope you are enjoying it and you can use it in your own video. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to Tom's channel because I will give you more and more tutorial that will be useful in your editing video. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.